490 grams. There's 3 of us. It's supposed to serve, I think, 5 people, but we're gonna finish it because, you know. Hi, it's your girl Phoebe. Welcome to our channel. We're Crazy Thursday and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. So guys, what is the one thing that you think of most when you think about Asian food? I have never seen anybody who doesn't like dumplings. And today we're gonna have like a Korean snack version of the dumplings. We're gonna fry them in the pan, and then we're gonna add our vegetables and our little gochujang sauce over it so that we can mix it and eat it as mixed dumplings or stir fry dumplings, as we may call them. We call them muchim-mandu here in Korea, and it is one of the favorite snacks of high schoolers or middle schoolers or people in school and people even outside of school like us. Okay, so let's get straight to the ingredients and start cooking. First off, we're gonna chop our vegetables. That is our carrot, cucumber, cabbage, and onions. Like this. Another half. I think this is enough, so we're gonna only use half of the carrot. Again, we don't need too much. We're just gonna use about this much. Same drill. Okay, we're done for the cabbage. As you know from our previous videos, when you cut them up, the cabbage tends to expand themselves. I don't know how they do it, but they become a lot of them. So we're only going to use this much. Cut out the stalk. And you finally slice them. Okay, we're done with our veggies, and now we're gonna cook our dumplings. Okay, I was joking. We still haven't cut up our onions. This is a quarter of an onion. I'm gonna use half of this. So what is half of a quarter? Octo something?
No.
Really?
No.
1/8 of an onion. Oh, I think I've done a terrible job. It's okay. We're gonna mix them. So now, for the second time, we're gonna go and cook our dumplings. I'm gonna show you the dumplings that I picked. It's the 납작만두 for frying, and it's flat. When you make muchim-mandu, it's better to use the flat ones so that the sauce can sink in like this. 490 grams. There's 3 of us. It's supposed to serve, I think, 5 people, but we're gonna finish it because, you know. So drizzle some oil like this, like this. It's medium heat, so it's not gonna make the sizzling sound, but we don't want it to burn. Math question: how many dumplings can Phoebe fit into the pan? And wait for my secret trick into cooking it super well without using too much of oil. Hello? Anybody there? Okay. Woo! Woo! Oh, I love the sound of sizzling dumplings. And here comes my tip. Prepare about 1 coffee shot of water. And then you're gonna pour it here, like this. So you know why I do this? So that the dumplings will cook inside out. So we leave it like this for about a few minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, let's take them out. And we're going to put them in a plate. Woo-hoo! So we need 4 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 tablespoon of gochujang chili paste. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. About 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Hello! So we have to add a little bit of water, about 4 tablespoons. We also have to add our ketchup. This is similar to the gochujang sauce. Do you remember our gochujang video? I'll link it there below. 2 tablespoons. Make sure that the other end gets the sauce as well. And you simmer it until the sauce is fully absorbed into the dumpling. Okay, I think they're done. And make the salad that goes with the dumplings. We add the vegetables that we cut up. Some cucumbers, carrots, our cabbage. So the way we're gonna do is that this is gonna have to taste similar to the sauce of the dumplings that we made. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 2 tablespoons. Actually, that's a 1. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Ooh, sweet. People. Let's take this guy out. About 1 teaspoon of the flakes. And last but not least, homemade plum extract. Use about 2 tablespoons. To add more flavor, I decided to add half a tablespoon of gochujang, which is the Korean chili paste. And I'm also going to add half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Balance things up a little. Let's go and plate this with our mandu. Okay, it's time for the taste test. Let me try our dumplings first. The ketchup sauce and a little bit of spiciness is really good. And who doesn't like dumplings? You try the salad. The crunchiness goes really well. And as we showed you, the sauce for these two are slightly different, so they complement each other. And also, I have my milk, which is always a good idea. And now I'm gonna add this with the veggies and eat them together like a wrap, if I may. Did I get any of the vegetables? No. So much food in my mouth. I think this is also gonna be a really good beer food. Shall I eat another one? I always use my chopsticks like this. I'm now gonna go and enjoy this with Monica and Rachel. Thanks for joining us today. Let me finish eating this. Thanks for joining us today. This was Phoebe from Crazy Thursday with Rachel and Monica. Hope you have a great week. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button if you liked our videos. And please let us know in the comments if you actually tried this or if there's anything else that you want to see from us. Okay, have a great day and hope you really try this amazing saucy dumplings. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.